This is CS50's Web Programming with Python and JavaScript, Project 1. To go to an entry page, you can use the URL wiki / whatever our title is, and it'll go right to that page. If I change the topic here, we go to the new page. If I put in a topic that's not here, we get an error page. Go back to the index page. We can see that each of the topics have links, so we can go right to the page from the link. We can also search for a topic. If the topic matches one that's already in the wiki, we'll go right to that page. If the topic does not match, it will show us everything that has that in the title. Then we can go directly to that page by clicking on the link. We can create a new page by clicking on there. We can put in the title, and we can put in the markup text. Then we can save the entry, and it goes right to the page. If we try to create a new page for something we already have, like CSS, and we try to add the entry, it'll tell us that there's already been an entry. We can see the new page that we just added, so it does get saved onto the disk. You can also edit a page. From the page itself, we can click on Edit this topic. The form is pre-populated, and we can make changes. Once we're done with the pages, we can click Save Edit, and we go to the page with the new changes. If we want to go to a random page, we can click on Random Page, and it'll go to one of the pages in the list. And we can see that if we go to Edit, we can see that the Markdown is in here. But if we go to the page, it's showing in HTML.